Okay, found these behind the twin sheds. They were covered in dirt and old spider webs. They're pretty seized. So anyhow, I wasn't going to bring them over here carrying these with spider webs and dirt and crap all over them, so I had to dust off the spider webs. So you can see it was sitting in that dirt for quite a good long period of time. So I'm going to clean them up and redo them, and hopefully by the time I'm done with them, they will be good as new. Okay, so here's one of the blades here. As you see, there's a little bit of paint on there, but I have blue tape all over it, as you see. And then over here, blue tape on that with a little bit of paint. And I will show you the rest once it's done. Okay, so there we go. Let me go ahead and show you here. So, well, got that light over there blurring it out. There we go. So, went ahead, sanded down the wood handle and stained it and put a clear coat on it. And then the blade, I cleaned it up, sanded it, sharpened it. As you can see, that thing has a nice edge on it. Get that. There we go. So, yep. So let me go ahead and put you guys right back here. Not bad. Not bad. Perfect working condition again. All those little teeth are sharpened. Every last one of them. It's got a nice edge on it as well. I'll try to block out that light. There we go. So it's pretty good there. This edge here has a couple little spots, but it is razor sharp. Look at that. That is nice. So next, I need to find something to chop it, you know. Okay, so found a little bit of tree, and they work. They work good. So there we go. Found these laying in the dirt a while back, right there, right where the tip of this is at, and try to pry them apart, and they're seized. So I set them there, and they stayed there for a very, very long time. So there we go. All done up like new. Very nice. Very nice. So there we go. Thanks for watching.